Hey up guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this little Bobby Dazzler Honda CBR600RR, and this one is the Splash. As you can see, limited edition. Mr. Cameraman can get in close to the paintwork when he comes down. It looks awesome. Proper nice little bike is this. 2009 on a 59 plate, 22,922 miles, and it's lovely. As you can see, it's got plenty of aftermarket parts on it. It's got them billet levers, it's got them CBR racing grips as well, which had at least 5 brake horsepower of grip. Akrapovic exhaust, tail tidy. This one's got the seat cowl. It's got a tinted aftermarket double bubble screen. Plenty of R&G protection all over, on the frame, on the engine, and them little bobbins on the back. As I've already said, the little billet levers on it as well. Cracking little bike of these, super funky, and they're real lightweight. Let's give it a quick fire up. I've sold this bike previously and I'm more than happy to sell it again. It got loads of interest last time, so if you want it, be quick, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.